Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to convert PDF to CSV from a file using Node.js. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. To begin, first, let's add our sample file to the JavaScript program folder. Then, enter your JavaScript sample code. You can get the sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 13, insert your API key inside the double quote. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 16, add your source PDF file. In line 22, type your desired CSV output file name. After setting up, let's run the program. Simply type the node space name of your file in the terminal. The program runs successfully. Let's check the folder to see the result. Here's what the converted CSV output looks like. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.